Are you looking for the best car polisher? Then you're on right place. You are watching Car Essentials, and in this video we gonna show you top 5 best car buffer and polisher in 2021. We arrange these car polisher on the basis of their price, rating, durability and more. We have also included links in the description box down below for the latest prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Coming on to the number 5. Meguiar's Dual Action Power System Tool. This car polisher attaches to almost any drill for versatile and convenient buffing. It works best with a 3/8 inch corded drill that operates between 1200 and 2500 RPMs. It comes with a large handle for better control while buffing. You can use this buffer with compound, polishing liquids, and waxes. Included with the buffer is an extra thick buffing pad that will be gentle on your car's surface. The dual-axis spinning action makes this polisher safe to use for beginners while also delivering professional quality results. The drawback of this buffer is that you need to own a drill to use it, since no motor is included to power the spinning action. It's also from Meguiar's, so it may not work as well with products from other manufacturers. Number 4. Chemical Guys TORQ 10FX Random Orbital Polisher Kit. This buffer from Chemical Guys is also pretty expensive, but this time, you get more with your purchase. It comes with a complete car repair kit, including backing plates, pads, and bottles of compound and conditioner. You can also bundle it with microfiber towers, or if you want, just get the polisher itself. The kit is great, but the polisher works amazingly well on its own, making it easy even for bodywork newbies to hide relatively deep scratches. If you are willing to put the work in, this kit can remove oxidation, reverse aging on a paint job, and increase the shine until it looks like new. We tested it on leather and fiberglass and got equally good results. The only things we don't like about the TORQ 10FX are the construction and some of the paired extras. Specifically, the on/off switch is surprisingly flimsy, and one of the pads fell apart without much use. We recommend getting the polisher and adding your own favorite pads, backing plates, and compound. Coming on to the number 3, DeWALT 7"/9" Variable Speed Polisher. This polisher has a 12-amp motor and ball bearing construction for a long life and performance. The adjustable speed dial lets you set the maximum speed from 0 to 603,500 RPMs for different materials and applications. The spindle thread is 5/8 inch 11, and the electronic module maintains a constant speed. The wool ingestion shields increase tool life and reduce service costs, while the rubber gear case cover reduces surface imperfections and improves grip. It's comfortable, powerful, high quality, durable, and easy to use. It has a soft start feature and stays at the RPM, regardless of load. The speed settings are also precise. You can press slightly on the trigger and gradually increase the speed for slow ramp up. The speed is very consistent, and it doesn't bog down when you put pressure on it. It's ideal if you need a machine that can put in serious work. The DeWALT DWP849X polisher may burn paint if not used correctly, and it's a little heavy. Also, it may be difficult to find a 9-inch backing plate. In addition, it may not last very long if it's used daily in a professional setting, and the switch may burn out. Number 2, Black+Decker Variable Speed Polisher. This random orbital polisher achieves 4,400 orbits per minute to ensure a swirl-free finish. It has a 2-handle design for comfort and a 10-foot power cord to accommodate cars and boats. It weighs 5.3 pounds and comes with a 6-inch random orbit waxer and polisher, 1 foam applicator bonnet, and 2 polishing bonnets. It is lightweight, not very loud, and you can easily use it with one hand. It makes polishing, buffing, and waxing easier and faster. It also removes water spots and brings the paint back to life with ease. In addition, it has a nice, ergonomic design that enables you to use it in hard-to-reach places. It's ideal for the average user who doesn't need the tool for professional daily use. But one downside is the Black+Decker WP900 polisher is not super powerful, and it may stop spinning if you put too much pressure on it. The pads that come with the device are not high quality. Foam pads work best, but they are hard to find. Also, the foam backer pad may eventually come unglued. Number 1. Porter Cable Variable Speed Polisher. This random orbital buffer produces swirl-free sanding and polishing results. The AC device has a 4.5 amp motor and includes an electronic variable speed trigger from 2500 to 6800 OPMs. It has a proprietary counterbalance for use with a 6-inch sanding, polishing pad and accepts 5 to 16 spindle thread accessories. The 2-position, removable sign handle fosters greater comfort and control. This beginner-friendly polisher is comfortable, durable, and easy to use. It doesn't leave swirl marks on your paint and creates a quick and perfect finish. You can get into smaller and harder to reach areas, such as under the mirror hood, because it does not have a long tail end. The tool also comes with enough lubrication that's intended to last the lifetime of the device under normal use. It may be tricky to control the Porter Cable 7424 XP polisher at low speeds. It has a strong vibration, and it's loud. Also, the pad that comes with it is low-quality foam, so you will need to buy a Velcro backing plate of your choice. In addition, over time it may not operate fully on all variable speeds. This is all for now. You can check links in the description box down below. All car polishers are available on Amazon. You can check in the price by clicking on the link. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.